I'm currently having a situation, I guess, with the Nissan. I don't know what's actually going on, but I'm going to take a wild guess that it has something to do with the lights. Well, actually, it does have something to do with the lights. My headlights aren't working, but the light bulbs themselves are. I can turn the brights on, but you know, when I go to turn on the lights, they don't come on. But when I use my remote, the lights come on. So yeah, the bulbs are still working. I'm gonna take a wild guess here that it has something to do with the arm itself. I think it's broken because I notice that when I go to turn on the brights, there's like a lot of play, you know, and when I turn on the signals to like make a right, left, what have you, they work, but as I'm turning the car, all of a sudden, you know, the brights go off. So I think it has something to do with the arm. So I went and purchased an arm. Okay, so yeah, this is the arm that I purchased online at eBay, specifically for the Nissan Sentra 2001. And as you can hear, there's the click I should be hearing. But that's the part that I need to connect. So I'm going to have to take it apart, obviously. But all this works correctly as it should. But right now, when I go to turn the lights on, no lights come on. So, yeah, I think this is my problem. I think I need a new arm. I hope that's my problem. Gonna find out. So when I use the remote to lock, the lights come on. See? Absolute no resistance. It's just, look at that. It's like a limp dick. Yeah, I think I need to replace this part right here. On this side, I'm not experiencing any issues. I can even tell, you know, just by doing that, the resistance. Okay, so in order to replace that part, I'm going to have to pop this out and unscrew these. And hopefully I'll be able to get to this. Yeah, no resistance whatsoever. So I think this is why the headlights aren't coming on. And when I put the brights on, yeah, it'll come on, but as soon as I turn the steering wheel, this moves. Yeah, a lot of play right there. There shouldn't be that much play. So yeah, I'm hoping after I replace this part right here that the headlights turn back on as they should. Okay, so before I even attempt doing this procedure, the first thing I want to do, of course, is open that hood and disconnect the battery, because you don't want the airbag going off while you're trying to do this. Yeah, the bell's going and the parking lights are on, but this one is definitely not on. Okay, this project should only require 3 items. A magnetic nut and bolt holder, flathead screwdriver, mini flathead screwdriver, so you can pry that ignition off with, and Phillips screwdriver to undo the screws with. Okay, first things first, yeah, undo the negative on the battery. Okay, this piece is off. Okay, steering wheel lowered. Okay, and unscrew the screws. All right, last screw on this part here. All right, lifting it off. Okay, that's the top part. Okay, after you move that, you want to drop this down just a little bit. You don't want to remove it though. You want to keep it on there. Now I need to undo this screw and that screw. Okay, first I'm going to want to pull these plugs right here. Yeah, this is definitely broken. No doubt about it. Okay, so these are removed. Now I got to go ahead and remove these screws right here. Okay, it's out. That's the old part. That's the new part. It looks like they should work okay together. Hopefully this works. Yeah, that looks about the same. All right, just slide it right in there. Okay, hopefully this works. Okay, screwing it back in. Putting it all back together. Screwed in. Now we're going to plug these in. Okay, so this is connected, those are connected. And I can go ahead and put the rest of it together. So I'm going to push this up there. All right, it's connected.
Pretty good.
Okay. Okay, it's all screwed. Let's put this puppy in. Okay, I got to reconnect the battery. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. Hopefully the switch is what caused the light to not work. Here we go. Let me go check if the lights work. Ta-da! It was the switch that was broken. That was it. The headlight is working again. Yay! Okay, so blinkers. Blinkers are on. Left blinker on. Okay. Gonna make sure the backs are working too. Brights. All right. Okay, so this was definitely bad, and all it took to solve my light issue was replacing that. A flat screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a magnetic nut and bolt holder. Okay, so basically it boiled down to this. My lights were not working because of the switch. Again, the switch is like a plug, you know. Nissan, the Sentra in particular, you know, I've had it for over 20 years. It's good for like 200, 300,000 miles on the engine. But the other parts, not so much. Yeah, no, it was a pretty easy fix. I saved myself a lot of money. That part cost me $38 on eBay. And took roughly 10 minutes to do. Yeah, I saved myself a lot of money. So hopefully after you watch this video, if for some reason your headlight isn't working, but parts of it is working, take into consideration it could be the switch. You know, really, truly, to test whether or not it's the headlight itself, just put on your remote, and when you go to lock the car, if the headlight turns on, it's not the light bulb, because the light bulb clearly is still working. And it's easier to switch out the switch than it is to go through the wiring. So just remember to unplug, you know, disconnect that battery first, just to make sure those airbags don't go off. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay, I got dinner going right now. Again, thanks for watching the video. And if for any reason your car is having an issue with the lighting, just go through that process of elimination first. Check the light bulb, check the fuse, check the relay sensor. You know, just check the switch, what turns it on, because in my case, yeah, that's what it was. Before you take it to the dealer and give them a whole bunch of money, see if you can fix it yourself for a lot cheaper than what the dealer is going to charge you. And in this case, yeah, it was something I could fix myself. And I'm sure you can probably fix it yourself too. Just make sure you get the right part number. Know for sure what it is you need to replace. And other than that, well, again, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you maybe fix your lighting if you have to fix it. Okay, and I bought this on eBay. You know, just type in the part you need. Turn signal switch 2000 to 2006 Nissan Sentra. And it came up, and this was actually only 17 bucks, not 38. So, got a really good deal. That's right, I fixed my car for $18. Yeah. I'm going to break my arm, pat myself on the back.